I'm here tonight to answer your questions. Okay, so here's the first comment. Dear Dr. Sebi, I came across your work 2 months after my mom's friend died from cancer. During those 2 months, after she died, I realized that neither I nor the rest of the world knew much about the nature of cancer and how to get rid of it. Then I came across a video of yours called Eat to Live or Eat to Die. This video intrigued me so much. It gave me the most clear worldview on how the human body functions and explained how sickness is created in the human body through what we eat. Thanks for all the info. Okay, so next comment. Jack wants to know what I think about inflammation. Inflammation is the cause of all disease. The cause of inflammation is a buildup of things like plaque and mucus in the body. So to cure a disease, all a person has to do is drain the inflammation from the body. So what creates inflammation? Inflammation comes from eating unnatural foods. These unnatural foods create a form of acidosis in the body. Depending on the area of the body that the acid is lingering in, it creates a symptom of disease.
Anything that God made is on the alkali side. Why? The molecular structure is complete. It was made by nature, not man. Anything that God made has no starch. That's another thing. Anything that nature makes has no starch. Anything that man made has to have starch, because starch is a binder. To titrate two unequal chemicals, you have to use a starch. Starch is not a food. Starch is a chemical.
Chronic diseases occur over a lengthy period of time when acid repeatedly comes into the body quicker than the body can counteract it. Over time, the accumulation of mucus and plaque becomes stagnant in the body. So how do you treat people with chronic diseases?
She has Alzheimer's, yes, sir.
Okay, Alzheimer's. That's a brain problem, right? Remember what I said? There's only one disease? Okay. When you have mucus in the nasal passage, it is sinusitis. When you have mucus in the bronchial tubes, it's bronchitis. When you have mucus in the lungs, it's pneumonia. But now you have mucus where, for you to have Alzheimer's, where is the mucus? So we have to remove the mucus from out of the system, especially the brain, but then we have to feed the brain. That's where biochemistry comes into play. The brain. Like if the sister was suffering with rickets, that's bones, right? So we have to address calcium. If she had leukemia, it would be blood, that's iron. But now she has Alzheimer's. She has mucus in the brain, which prevent the brain from receiving what? Oxygen. Now, what is the brain composed of? Copper and carbon. That is what produces electricity. Copper and carbon.
Our brain runs on electricity. Our nervous system runs on electricity. The interaction of cell-to-cell communication in every single cell of the body is electrical. It is only in an alkaline environment that electricity can flow. Our body is a hydroelectrical system which runs on hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon, and plant-based minerals. Is minerals that promote electrical signals to generate in the body. Red blood cells use iron to carry oxygen in the bloodstream. Copper promotes electrical signals in the brain. Sulfur affects the lungs. Every mineral affects a different part of the body system of operation to promote electrical generation. Before the hybridization of plants, there were no acidic foods in nature. Man only ate alkaline foods because that is all that existed.